y'all, so I look a little crazy right now, but don't mind my hair. I was in the middle of oiling and just revamping my braids, and like they look moisturized. When I do this process, my hair comes out mad soft. Like it comes out so nice when I take it out the braid. So let me put y'all on. For my scalp, I'm just using Wild Growth. You can use Wild Growth or Do Grow, but if you have your own preference, use that oil. I'm gonna be using this coconut miracle oil. This will go on the braids just to have a shine, and then I also put this on top of the braid. All that combined moisturize my hair very nice. By the time you take your hair out of the braids, it will feel dummy nice. It becomes so soft, easy to comb, whatever. So you will also need a mirror and glasses if you're blind like me. Let's get straight to it. You will need a mirror so you can see the hair and part it and stuff. I have a small mirror right here, and then I have the long mirror right here. How I started off is I would bun the top because I'm not going to get to the top no time soon. And then I would bun the middle and then just leave 2 rows in the back. You see how it's only 2? And then just make my way up. I would just keep doing 2 rows at a time up until I got to this point, and then I was like, oh my gosh, what a gorge. So let me show you how to do it.
I just put this into a ponytail so that this part doesn't mix in with the rest of my hair. I did this to this side, but I'm not working with the side yet. We are just going to be working on the right side.
Like I said, I only do 2 rows at a time. Get the Wild Growth.
Like a little scoop of it, and I'm just putting it at like where my real hair is. I cut my hair and so it's short, so it should be like up to here. I'm only caring about the top.
Put like a little bit.
Thick. Put it at the roots, and I bring it down the whole strand. Yeah, there's another more. The side edges are, the back, and even under here.
Oiled. My hair is nice and oiled. My scalp is nice and moisturized. Moisturize my edges, the side of my edges. Just, I know where to go, so I don't really care if it's frizzy or whatever. I just want to moisturize because when it comes out these braids, baby, y'all know ready, okay? Listen, in person, look good. It's frizzy, but it is still shiny. And when I take my hair out the braids, it's gonna be nice and soft. It's gonna be nice and detangle. Hey guys, I'll just be finishing.
I already started, and it's simple. All you really need is this comb and these scissors and a hair tie to separate your hair. Dash it out.
So I know my hair isn't this long, but to take some time, I cut it like right here, where I know it's long enough. Since I have nails in, I'm going to be using a rat tail comb.
Oh, sorry guys, I was just talking to my aunt. And then inside, you just put it through each comb, and it things the hair.
This is the weave. healthy, curly. That's just what it happens.